Hey, today we are talking about star cycles of other stars. Again, you should have your note guide and be ready to take notes. Here we go. Okay, so we have already gone through how we went from a nebula to a star system. We have gone through how our star is going to go through its different cycles. Today, we are going to go through larger stars, massive stars. So, a massive star, we're talking about a star 3 times or larger than our sun. Instead of becoming a red giant, it becomes a supergiant. So, once it has fused all the helium to carbon and it's going to collapse, it is going to be hot enough to go from carbon to iron. So this is something different, more than what we've seen before. So in our star, we would stop. And once that happens, well, a red supergiant will be much, much larger than ours. Once the supergiant has fused all the carbon into iron, there is no more fuel left to consume. The core of the supergiant will then collapse very fast. And then there's a massive explosion, which we call a supernova. In the supernova, there is a massive shock wave, huge amount of energy, and that blows away the outer layers of the star. Supernovas can shine brighter than whole galaxies for several years. So we went from a massive star to the red giant. The red giant goes supernova. Sometimes the core will survive the supernova. If that supernova has a mass of less than 3 solar masses, that core will become a neutron star. It is very super, super dense, and it is very, very small. 6 miles in diameter, that's about the distance from the high school to DeMont. That's it. Very small. The other thing that can happen if it's much larger than the sun, even after it has gone supernova, it can form a black hole. Black hole has a core so dense and so massive that it has so much gravity that not even light escapes it. Since light can't escape the black hole, it's really hard to tell how it it works, and so we can't send anything into it. We can only measure what's around it. How do we know that there's carbon and stuff in those stars? Um, we should watch this video and fill those out in our notes. That is it for our lecture for today, and I will talk to you soon.